Hey guys, it's Rapid Reform here. In today's video, I will show you how you can portray relaxed, open, and confident body language to others. I recently made a video about having meaningful conversations, and I will put a link to it in the description. But you should know that another major factor that goes into your ability to communicate is not just what you say, but also how you say it with your body. That is why I will cover everything from the head to the shoulders, knees, and toes, and how you can use your body to portray confidence to yourself and others. I will tell you what restrictive body language looks like and how you can change that into attractive body language. Let's start off with the feet and legs. When it comes to having confident body language, it is all about being open and relaxed, which shows that you are comfortable with being yourself. Did you know that your feet and legs will be the most indicative of that? Since we were young, we have always been taught to smile and give good impressions with our face, which means that the farther you move from your face, the more honest your body tends to be. And of course, the feet and legs are the farthest parts from your face. Therefore, you should not have your feet crossed or pointed inwards. That would signal that you are not open to having conversations with the moment. Instead, you should have your legs shoulder width apart and point your feet outwards, which will indicate that you are a welcoming person and that you want to bring more people into your life, for the moment at least. Now let's talk about the arms and hands. Just like with the legs, you should not have your arms crossed or have one arm across the torso touching the other. And also, you should try to avoid putting your hands in your pockets, since it would signal that you are being uncomfortable. If it's cold outside, wear gloves instead. The best thing to do with your arms and hands is to keep them by your side and out of your pockets. Also, make sure that your shoulders are down and below your neck rather than up and in line with your neck. Remember that it is all about being relaxed and comfortable. Now let's move on to the chest and torso. This is likely the most important part of the body since that can give confident body language because it contains the majority of our vital organs such as the heart and lungs. If we feel threatened, it is our natural instinct to protect these vital organs. That is why having your chest sticking out and your spine pointed upwards portrays confident body language. You will essentially be opening these organs up to possible threats and telling people that you can take whatever comes at you. However, this is also an area that many people have posture problems with because we spend a lot of time in front of computers and other screens, and that makes us lean forward quite a bit. One thing you can do to prevent this is find a bar to hang on. If you hang for about 2 to 3 minutes a day, it will naturally straighten your spine within a few weeks, but you must stay consistent with it. Finally, let's finish off with the head and face. Similar to the torso, we tend to lean our head forward because of our dependence on screens. When having a conversation, that would signal insecurity. So make sure that your head is back and aligned with your spine. As for the face, there are 3 main points here. First is to make sure that you smile. And I know it sounds very cliche, but truthfully, most of us tend to keep a straight face when we talk. Even if you can grin for just a little bit when you talk, it will make a huge difference and tell the other person that you are happy and relaxed. The second tip is with maintaining eye contact, which is another common issue. Eye contact is critical to portraying confidence since it allows you to deliver your messages very clearly to the other person. The key here is to not stare at the other person, but what you should do is try to maintain eye contact during the majority of your talk, while occasionally glancing away around every 7 seconds or so, and then coming back. And the great thing is you can easily practice this in front of a mirror. The third tip is not so much of a body language tip, but you need to take care of your hygiene since your face is what most people would look at during a conversation. So make sure to regularly brush your teeth, exfoliate your acne, and shave if you have to. Also, take good care of your hair by cutting it frequently as you need to, and use coconut oil or some other natural product to keep the color of your hair looking sharp. And that's it. If you can incorporate all of these tips into your daily life, I guarantee that you will get much more positive results from your everyday conversations. Did you find this video helpful? If so, it would be amazing if you left a thumbs up. Do you agree with these tips? Was there an important body language sign that I left off? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to rapidly reform your life for the better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.